In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive icon missing from the Windows 10 search bar. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Let's start with the Task Manager. You may have opened this application before to close unresponsive programs or to monitor system performance. To open it, you can simply right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager from the menu. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard, which is another quick way to bring up the Task Manager. Once you've got the Task Manager open, you'll see several tabs at the top of the window. Click on the one that says Startup. This tab is crucial because it lists all the programs set to run when your computer boots up. If OneDrive isn't showing up in your taskbar, it might be because it's disabled in the startup settings. Now that you're in the Startup tab, scroll down the list until you find Microsoft OneDrive. Sometimes applications get disabled here, which prevents them from running automatically and appearing in your taskbar. It's easy to accidentally disable something you didn't mean to, so don't worry if that happened here. Now click on Microsoft OneDrive to highlight it. Looking at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window, you should see an option to enable it. If currently disabled, this button will appear active. Click on it to ensure OneDrive is set to start when you boot up your system. Once you've enabled OneDrive, you can close the Task Manager by clicking the X in the top right corner of the window. To make sure the changes take effect, it's a good idea to restart your computer. After rebooting, you should see the OneDrive icon in your taskbar right where it belongs. If for some reason the icon doesn't appear after following these steps, ensure OneDrive hasn't been closed accidentally, or that there are no updates pending for either OneDrive itself or Windows. Updates can sometimes change your system settings, which might impact whether certain icons appear. And that's it! By enabling Microsoft OneDrive under the Startup tab in your Task Manager, you've effectively told your computer to run it every time you start your device, bringing back that missing icon to your taskbar. Hopefully this solution works smoothly for you. Remember, technology can be tricky, but there's almost always a way to fix those pesky issues. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials just like this one.